Hi, I'm Jamie McDevitt of McDevitt Town & Country Properties. I have the pleasure of introducing you to our new listing, The Hunting Box, at 770 Yadkin Road in Southern Pines, just a few minutes from downtown Southern Pines. This gorgeous 4,600 square foot house plus a barn apartment is listed at $2.2 million. We'd love to have you come take a look. So let's go take a peek. Come on. Here we are at the main entrance to 770 Yadkin Road, The Hunting Box. This beautiful entrance, and the whole house is all brick. The house is 3 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and it's about 4,600 square feet. Come on, let's go take a little peek at just the inside. Here we are in the main foyer. You'll see some fabulous features of the house, including beautiful hardwood floors, dental molding throughout, which is a fabulous feature. This house was built by Alan Walters, who's an excellent local builder. This is the cozy den. There are 2 fireplaces in the house, and both have gas logs. This is where I'd be spending so much of my time. We have a lovely, large, casual dining area here. There's a formal dining room too, but this is the casual area, which goes out to the back patio and then the pool area. And then we have an absolutely beautiful kitchen with butcher block here on the island, beautiful granite, cherry cabinets, gas cooking, and so many fabulous, fabulous gourmet features in this kitchen. Perfect for dining and entertaining. Now let's go see the rest of the house. Here we are at one of my favorite parts of the hunting box, the pool. It is a heated pool, quite large, great for entertaining and swimming. It backs up to a lovely covered porch. And we're also in an area that is completely perimeter mesh fenced. So if you have pets or kids, it's great to keep them safe. Come on in and enjoy us at the great pool. At this amazing barn at the Hunting Box. It is a 5-stall barn, and one of the stalls could be used as a broodmare barn. It's oversized. Also, one of the things you'll notice is that the 3 stalls here have in and out, so the horses can go right in from their stalls out to beautiful big pasture. The upstairs of the barn also has a wonderful apartment, a bedroom, an office, and fabulous living space. Perfect for your guests, your friends, or perhaps a live-in. But anyway, the barn is awesome here, so come check it out. of the other features you should know about the barn is all the fabulous storage. As you can see, we have room for a John Deere tractor, extra barn utility equipment, and plenty of space for hay storage as well. We also have a separate garage, which is heated and cooled. So again, if you want to store hay in there in the nice heated and cooled space, there's plenty of room. Everything was thought about on this farm, from the house to the barn to all of the utility areas. You'll love living here at the Hunting Box. The most gorgeous pastures you've ever seen. It's over 10 acres of land, and there are 5 pastures. Again, 3 of them go from in and out from the stalls out to the pastures, but there's so much space here. It's nice and flat, and of course there is the jump field as well. But your horses will be totally happy on this grass here. In addition to the 5-stall barn, the Hunting Box also features a 2-stall run-in. This is perfect for guests, so if you have friends that are coming into town and want to ride, you have a perfect place for them. There's also hay storage here and a little tack area in this run-in shed area. So bring your friends to town and let them come ride with you. Flat, grassy area, perfect for schooling, your jumping, your dressage, or any equestrian pursuit. It's also a great place for trailer storage. It also has access to the Walthour-Moss Foundation, over 4,000 acres of riding. You'll love it here. So we hope you've enjoyed the tour of 770 Yadkin Road, the Hunting Box. My name is Jamie McDevitt, and please give me a call at 910-724-4455, and I can give you a real tour. Thanks again, and we hope to see you soon.